There are 24 footballs. 1/3 need pumping up. How many are ready to use? So let's start by working out how many footballs need pumping up. We need to find 1/3 of 24. And finding 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3, because if the numerator is 1, we can find the fraction simply by dividing by the denominator. So 24 divided by 3 is 8, so 8 footballs need pumping up. But the question asks us how many are ready to use. There are 24 footballs altogether, so if we subtract the 8 that need pumping up, we have 16 footballs which are ready to use. We can show this with a diagram. Imagine that the blue circles are footballs. We have 24 altogether. 1/3, so these 8 here, are the ones that need pumping up. This means that the rest, what we have shaded blue here, are the footballs which are ready to use, so that's 16 footballs altogether. We could have solved this problem in a different way. We could have found 2/3 of 24 to get 16, but for today, let's focus on subtracting a fraction from a total. So let's look at another question. A television program lasts for 1 hour. 1/5 of the time is adverts. How long is the program itself? An hour is 60 minutes. So if we find 1/5 of 60, that will tell us how many minutes of adverts the program has. 60 divided by 5 is 12, so 1/5 of 60 is 12. There are 60 minutes in the program altogether, so if we subtract the time that is adverts, we get 48, so the program itself is 48 minutes long. Now we'll go through some more questions which follow the same steps, so you might want to pause before each one to see if you can work out the answer. There are 120 tissues in a box. 1/6 are used. How many are left? If we divide 120 by 6, we get 20, so 1/6 of 120 is 20. So if we subtract the 20 tissues which are used from the 120 we started with, that means we have 100 tissues left. There are 36 cars in a car park. 1/4 of the cars are white. How many are not white? So 1/4 of 36 is the same as 36 divided by 4, so 9. Then if we subtract that from our total, we get 27 cars which are not white. A bicycle costs £70. In a sale, the price is cut by 1/10. What is the new price? So we need to find 1/10 of £70. So we work out 70 divided by 10, which is 7. Then if we subtract 7 from the price of the bicycle, we have our new price of £63. A piece of wood is 60 centimetres long. 1/3 is cut off. How long are the 2 pieces? So to find 1/3 of 60, we work out 60 divided by 3, which is 20. So one piece is 20 centimetres. Now, if we subtract that from the length of the piece of wood we started with, we know that the other piece must be 40 centimetres. So the pieces are 20 centimetres and 40 centimetres.